In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and utilize Google Sites to ensure your website is mobile friendly. Now, more than ever, having a mobile compatible site is critical as more users access the web through their smartphones. Let's get started. First, we need to head over to Google Sites. You can do this by simply opening your preferred web browser and typing in sites, google.com. Google Sites is an excellent tool because it offers a user-friendly platform for creating professional-looking websites without needing to know how to code. Once you're on Google Sites, you'll see various options and templates to choose from. But for testing purposes, you can select an existing site you've worked on or set up a new test one. Once you've got your site open, it's time to check if it's mobile-friendly. In Google Sites, this process is incredibly straightforward. Look for the Preview button on the top right of the interface. This handy feature allows you to see how your site will look on various devices. Go ahead and click on Preview. When you activate the preview mode, you'll notice a few icons at the bottom of the screen. These icons represent different device views: a large monitor for a desktop view, a tablet for a tablet view, and a phone for a mobile view. To see your site as it would appear on a mobile device, click on the phone icon. This will switch your preview to the phone view, giving you a clear picture of how users will experience your site on their mobile devices. While you're in the phone view, take this opportunity to carefully examine each section of your site. Check the alignment of elements, the readability of text, and ensure that images scale appropriately. One key aspect of a mobile-friendly site is ensuring that your content is both easily accessible and visually pleasing on smaller screens. If your site looks good on the phone preview, that's fantastic. It means your site is already optimized for mobile users. But if you notice any issues, don't worry. You can easily return to the editing mode to make necessary adjustments. For instance, you might need to resize images, adjust the layout of text, or even simplify the navigation to improve the mobile experience. Once you're done reviewing the mobile view, you can exit the preview mode by clicking on the X in the upper right corner of the screen. This will take you back to the editing interface where you can continue refining your site as needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check and ensure your Google site is mobile friendly. This simple process is invaluable in making sure your site meets the needs of all users regardless of the device they're using. Thank you for watching and happy site building.